Yo everybody, I go by the name What's Up Magic, and today I want us to make an Afrobeat instrumental from scratch. So follow me, let's go. Let us start with some nice Afro swing drums. That sounds like this. So the next thing I always do in my beat is to add some chord progression, that because it will bring some life to the sound. So a chord progression like this. So if I mix this with the beat, it gives something like one, that's two, that's three, let's go. Let's record. After adding my piano is to layer it up. That's what beat makers always do, to make your sound a little bit nice. So you layer your sound into another sound that will appreciate the lead melody. So in this case, I'll use this guitar sound with a lot of reverb. Let's go. After that, I'll add another sound again to layer it up. It's a pad. That's a lot of reverb. Just to layer it up on top of the sounds we have made. So it will give, let's record, it will give something like this. So all together it will sound something like this. Sound, they call it a tremolo sound. This one is just to beat making, so about layering things. You layer a sound on a sound. The more you layer things together, it makes your beat professional and it looks serious, look matured enough, professional enough, something like that. So add this this sound, and I think you need earphones to get it. They call it tremolo. So all together I'll give you something like this. You need to be keen to get it. So basically that is all for me. It's only after the artist must have recorded. Don't forget, the voice is a lead instrument. Everything you're doing here is just supporting what the artist will write, just supporting the voice. So make your beat to be simple, but it should have soul.